Hey everyone, welcome back to Profit Quest. If you're serious about boosting your earnings with crypto bots, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into something big, an official, verified bot from OKX Wallet. This isn't your average crypto bot. There's a game, airdrop points, and plenty of opportunities to maximize your earnings. Ready to learn how to use the OKX Racer Bot and rack up points for their latest airdrop? Let's get started. First off, let me just say, every bot we drop from now on, you need to jump on it immediately. This month is packed with new bot releases and airdrop distributions. If you follow along and put in the work, I'm confident you can earn some decent cash by the end of the month. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these opportunities. Speaking of opportunities, today's bot comes directly from OKX Wallet. And it's not just any bot. It's got a game built into it, making it super engaging while still offering that chance to earn points that can later be converted into actual money. But before we dive deeper into that, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you're missing out on some key updates. I regularly post puzzle solutions, tips, and sneak peeks on upcoming projects. The link to our Telegram channel is down in the description, so be sure to join and stay connected. Now, let's talk about the OKX Racer Bot. This bot is 100% official and verified, straight from the OKX Wallet team, which means it's safe and trustworthy. You'll find the link to the bot in the description below. Once you click it, you'll be taken straight to the bot page. Just hit play, and boom, you're in. The best part? It's completely free to use. You don't need to invest a single dollar. Your goal is to collect points, and that's how you earn. Sounds simple, right? But what makes this bot unique is the built-in game. Unlike other bots where you just click mindlessly, the OKX Racer Bot has a fun twist. You get to predict the price of Bitcoin. Here's how it works. You'll predict whether Bitcoin's price will rise, moon, or fall, doom, in the next 5 seconds. If you're right, you earn points. The great thing is, if you're wrong, you don't lose points. It's all risk-free. You get 10 chances to make predictions every hour, and whether you win or lose, those chances reset every hour, so you can keep playing and racking up points. The more points you collect, the more rewards you'll earn, and once you've gathered enough points, you can convert them into real money. That's where it gets exciting. And if you want to take your game to the next level, I highly recommend connecting your OKX wallet to the bot. If you don't have an OKX wallet yet, don't worry. I've included a sign-up link in the description. You don't need to go through any complicated KYC Know Your Customer verification to use the bot. Just sign up, connect your wallet, and you're good to go. Simple, right? Also, don't forget to complete tasks like following OKX on Twitter or joining their Telegram channel. These little tasks can help you earn even more points without much effort. Want to earn even more points? You can share your referral link with friends or across your social media channels. Every time someone signs up using your referral link, you'll earn extra points. Just make sure you keep coming back to the bot to claim your chances and rack up those points. Another pro tip, make sure to consistently check in and play your rounds. The more you play, the more points you can accumulate over time. This is how you can truly maximize your rewards. Now, I know many of you have been asking for a step-by-step guide on how to set up an OKX wallet. I hear you. Stay tuned, because in the next few days, I'll be dropping a full tutorial on how to create an OKX account, set up your wallet, and connect it to various bots like this one. In the meantime, if there are any changes to this airdrop or the bot itself, I'll make sure to create an updated video so you don't miss out on any key info. Keep an eye on this channel for those updates. Alright, let's recap the main points. The OKX Racer Bot is an official, verified bot from the OKX Wallet team. It's completely free to use, and no investments are required. You can earn points by predicting Bitcoin's price movement, moon or doom. The more points you earn, the more real money you can convert them into. And finally, you can maximize your earnings by completing tasks, connecting your wallet, and referring friends. I hope this video has been helpful in walking you through how to use the OKX Racer Bot and increase your points for the airdrop. Remember, the opportunities are there, but it's up to you to take action. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help out. Lastly, don't forget to join our Telegram group to get daily updates, puzzle codes, and much more. The link is down below in the description. That's it for today's update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.